This little piece is called A Little Box of Birds in a Box. Little box made by me. Little brass legs. The little embellishment on the top is actually a piece of brass which I embossed and then painted to make it look a bit old. It's a little bird sitting in a branch. Okay, and inside is a surprise. There's another little box inside the box. I'll just move that one out of the way. Another little tiny box inside with the same little brass, tiny little brass embellishment. It's got little legs. This was made last year. Take off the lid. And inside are tiny little paintings of birds. I've done in watercolour. So each little painting is about 3.25 centimetres by 2.5 centimetres. So all sorts of little Australian birds in there. There you go. It's quite long. And they go back into the little box, which keeps them nice and clean. Little gold thread which I plaited. Tie it back up. And put it back into its box.